racing fumes. That sounds nice. Sounds nice.
It's alright, thank you. See you later, bye-bye.
See that? See ya.
Thank God he went forward.
It's alright for its original interior. Yeah. The guy who had it, they really do much to it. Like they even clean it. To be fair, mopped over. It's been sprayed in and out engine, and yeah, just a few other things.
Where do you get parts from for these? Like,
Quite easy to be fair for like the American cars, because you just get them off America. Like you go on Rock Auto sites, they can give you brand new parts for them still.
okay.
And if there's things that aren't new, you look on eBay and try and find some old stuff.
Yeah,
Say for
something
instance
close.
the letters, there was no letters on the back, so I had to go on eBay and somebody got some wildcat letters, for the trunk.
Yeah.
There you go, 67 wildcat letters for sale to fit the trunk. I was like, sound, I can get some then off eBay, because can't get none anywhere else. So yeah, brought some of these, and the guy stuck it on like when he took the boot off, and just adds to it, don't he?
Those little touches, touches. It's funny because with the new cars, people debadge them, but then with these older cars, you want to advertise what it is. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Like you said, you're right. Like you said, they debadge, don't they? Whereas, like with this, it was like I'm looking on the pitch, and I'm like, it's missing the wildcat. And then when I looked in the glove box, I'm like, oh, I've got a W, I've got an I. Oh fuck, I've got no L, I've got no D, the C's gone, but I've got the A and the T, so I'm like, I'm nearly there, like.
So what did you have, a wildcat?
A wildcat, probably a willat or something like that. Yeah, I was like, oh shit. But yeah, it's just like you say, stuff like that, 55 years old, you can still get letters off the eBay, you know what I mean?
It's true.
Great. Yeah, just like stuff like this, someone's got them for sale on eBay.
What year did you say it's from?
An E is 67, 1967, yeah, the E plate is, yeah.
And look at it.
I know, yeah, it's mad, isn't it, like, so condition of some of them, when they're that old, it's mad. There's some cars, the paint's peeled off and bubbling and whatever else, and I suppose because this hadn't done that much since the year 2000. The chap who had brought it, he purchased it in 1989, he owned it for 11 years, and then he passed away in the year 2000. It was like donated to his son, but like when I brought it last year, his son says, I've never liked the car, it's not my cup of tea. It was just, my dad died, so it was passed on to me. He says, and I don't use it, I don't like the car. He says, so I never take it out. He said, it's been sitting here on the mother-in-law's drive, like. He says,
ornament.
Got the, yeah, he said the cover's on it and it ain't being used. He said it needs to be used, which is why I'm selling it. Like I say, things wasn't right. The back window was sellotaped up, like the roof didn't open and shut, it didn't work, so I've just had to carry on with it. And so a bit of money later, and
there's nothing like a good project though.
Nah, it's been fun to finish work at 5 and then, you know, 9 o'clock on the night I'm out here just whatever, playing with it. You know, like the wife says, you know, it's keeping you busy, it's entertaining you. So, easy, you're happy.
True.
It is, it's right here.
Do you bring it to a lot of the shows?
I have done, to be fair, so like since last year I've done just, well, about 2,300 mile in it now I've done in a year.
Fair play.
I was only doing 35 mile a year, 80 mile a year, so yeah, it's got to go out here, you can't leave them, like.
Yeah. How often do you drive it?
It's like, I say, a weekly thing, like, yeah, weekends. I'm in the van every day, so you know, I don't even use my other car on the night. I'm in the van Monday to Friday, and then Saturdays and Sundays my weekends off, so you know, sometimes I'm in the van Saturday if I am doing an emergency. Oh, well, yeah, you know, it's just a weekend thing, yeah. So I'm busy in the week. If I wasn't busy and the sun's out, I'm like, oh look, you know, it's 12 o'clock on a Monday or Tuesday, whatever, and the sun's out, let's go out. But I'm not at all, I'm out working. And then it's also like people say, what are you, like yesterday, someone pulls up, why are you cruising out here? I'd soon have the roof off this and be out driving, it's a lovely day, but yes, you know, I don't want to be driving down to Wolverhampton just to have a ride round and then come back. I don't want to do that. I don't want to drive around the street and coming back for a cruise.
Yeah, you'd rather like go somewhere with purpose, basically.
Yeah, that's it. Like today, you know, if the weather's nice, then yeah, the roof would have been down and I'd have enjoyed it. But the roof, you know, weather ain't nice, so roof ain't down. But still, you come out and enjoy it, don't you? Meet people and look at the different cars, like so.
Yeah, it's great to see the mixture.
Yeah, it is nice to see a mixture. Got a what?
You got to put fuel in.
Put fuel in now. I've done it before I got here, mate. Like I said, I got half a tank before I got in. I thought
I've got to get that fuel gauge fixed.
Yeah, it's useful, mate, ain't it? It's useful having a working fuel gauge.
What, you having to guess when to fill up?
I don't know what's in it. Even when I put it in, I don't know if I've filled it down. It stops because it goes in too fast. Sometimes I think it's full. Get easy. Always two in there.
Yeah, mate, nice to meet you anyway.
Mate.
Alright, my name's
And
Matt.
it'll be going on my channel. Woo.